Gotta see things, see new faces and brand new things. Gotta go places and do things, maybe to forget.
This is what terrorism means to London. People just go about their daily life. These bits of shit get put in. People just live, move on, carry on. It's actually quite weird for me now to even think that I used to live here in London, and I used to work and drive along this road on an almost daily basis. I do like the Union Jack. It is a pretty cool thing. There's certainly a lot of security in London nowadays. It's just kind of sad. This is what the assholes terrorists have done. It's spoiled a beautiful country. Dumbass religious extremists. One of the best things about England is the royal parks don't have signs outside with people with guns threatening to shoot people. The royal parks are open to the public, to the people, which is how it should be. This is right in the centre of London. You see, not every bit of land needs to be built on, whichever country you live in. Every bit of green land has to be spoilt or grabbed by somebody and claimed for their own. Some bits of green land are for everybody. And this is a beautiful bit of green land.
could, but maybe he can think that I am.
Aquí a la izquierda.
Don't know if you can see through those trees, but it could be a Disney castle, couldn't it? Now over there through the trees, that's Buck House. That's where the Queen lives. Well, that's what they tell you. I'm damned if I know where she lives. She lives there and lots of other places. Anyway, Buckingham Palace through the trees. As close as we're gonna get.